When you talk about learning programming, obviously you could go with a self-taught route or you could go with a certificate. And I started with a self-taught route, but you always wonder that you're missing something, that maybe there's something that's not fundamentally that would have helped you along the way, but you're just missing it.
I had done some classes back in Tennessee, but they were university level, so they were a little bit more conceptual. And I really wanted to be able to get the skills to make an application from start to finish and have something to show for it.
I really like the format a lot. So the format is actually structured in 3 quarters. Each quarter is 10 weeks.
The idea is that when you're done with those 9 months, you actually have these skills to create, applications with the given programming language. The instructors for the certificate, they've been, for Java in particular, they've been doing Java since it came out as a programming language. So I think the depth of their knowledge is something that you don't have at your disposal when you're learning on your own. I think most people's goals coming into certificates like this are focused on how can this benefit my career? And I think that, learning these skills that the certificates teach you will be immediately applicable to a computer science career.
Somebody just reading your resume, it's hard for them to gauge the quality of your work. And having a university-backed certificate program really helps to get you that stamp of approval and maybe get you in the door. I think the network engineering is undergoing this paradigm shift that you need to have some sort of programming under your belt. It doesn't have to be Python, it could be Ruby, it could be Java, anything. But I would definitely recommend the programming experience under your belt. And one of the best sources, obviously the most reputable university in the region, which is University of Washington.